This is HSK 1, lesson number 4, grammar point number 2. We're going to study the possessive in Chinese. We use this particle, the. For example, how do I say my cat? In Chinese, I would say 我 plus this the particle plus the word for cat. So 我的猫. Let's see some other examples. The first one here, 李月是我的老师. 李月 is my teacher. Number 2, 这是我的书. This is my book. And the third example, 他不是我的同学，他是我的朋友. She is not my classmate, she is my friend. As you can see here in these 3 examples, we have first the owner, then we use the particle, and then the object, the person we are talking about. For example, my mom. 我的妈妈. This example is very useful in order to understand that in Chinese, we can omit this the particle when the relationship with the person is very close. So in this case, we say 我妈妈. We don't need to say the. Another point related to this, for example, imagine that I want to say my school. As this is an usual place, so I can also omit this the particle. So I could say, for example, his school, 他的学校. Or I could say, as every day he goes to the school, 他学校. And also, the same rule applies for related sites, related places. For example, my country. I can say 我的国家, or just say 我国家. Now, following some sentences to practice. He is my teacher. 他是我的老师. He is your teacher. 他是你的老师. My book. 我的书. My dad. 我的爸爸. But remember that we have just said that we can omit this the particle when we have a close relationship. So, 我爸爸. My 2 books. 我的2本书. Remember that we use 2 when we are counting things instead of the number 2 r in Chinese. And also here we have the measure word for books. Then this is my book. 这是我的书. This is my friend. 这是我的朋友。He is not my friend. 他不是我的朋友。My mom's friend. Now we are getting a little bit more complicated. 我妈妈的朋友。My dad's book. 我爸爸的书。My dad's friend's book. 我爸爸的朋友的书。As you can see here, we're using twice this the particle. The usual thing in Chinese is that we just keep the last one. So this sentence would be 我爸爸朋友的书. Just the last the remains before the main noun, which is the last one. Okay, we're talking about a book in general terms, so this is the last the. So with these many examples, I think now you understand much better the use of this the particle in Chinese in order to express the possessive. Remember, this particle is also used for another structures in Chinese. And as you have seen in these examples, in this presentation, it is very close in the use as this apostrophe S in English in order to express the possessive.